45 years, something that people thought would be a fad. They ride up and down the road and they look over and they really don't know what we do. But for 45 years, we have been in the Corvette parts and accessories business. And it's no small feat to stay in business. You have to do things right. Take care of your customers, provide a great product, take care of your employees, provide an atmosphere where they can be excited about doing what we do, making sure that our customers get Corvette parts.
I think a lot of companies have gotten away from customer service. We've grown because we've always preached building relationships with our customers. They want somebody that's knowledgeable about the cars, knows their name when they call, that knows what year Corvette they have, has an idea of what they want, and I think it's ended up helping us in the long run to be one of the best companies we can be.
When you call into Zip Corvette, you're going to talk to a human being. And I think that it means a lot to our customers to know that they can pick up the phone and if they need to talk to somebody who has owned a Corvette or has actually done a restoration that they're working on, chances are there's somebody under this roof who can talk to them about that on a very personal level.
It is about developing those relationships so that when somebody calls up and says, hey, I need this, you know what they're working on. And they know when they call up and they ask for a specific salesperson that they're getting the same person every time, and it's not just being transferred to a call center somewhere.
Since 1986, it's been that building right there. There's no off-site places that we have to run. It's all here.
One of the advantages of having all of our parts here is that we can go out and look at something if a customer wants to know the finish on it, what the paint is, if there's a part number on it.
Oh, that customer service is unbelievable. They're great to work with, and they provide a lot of advice, and their workmanship and the quality of their work is just wonderful.
We don't just sell Corvette parts here. We sell people's dreams. I mean, that's really what it is. People are at home looking online or in one of our catalogs about how they want their Corvette to look. They have this dream about what they want. So the part gets to their door, it's all nicely packaged from Zip and everything. They open it up and it's not just a part to them. I mean, it's one component of their dream that they're building.
I still have customers from when I started here 22 years ago. The relationship you build comes back to you. It does come back.
We have a full service maintenance facility here where we work on Corvettes. We have a rebuild facility here where we rebuild rear ends, differentials, trailing arms, distributors. We do shop installs. Pretty much anything you need for your Corvette, we can do it right here in-house, and we install all the parts that we sell.
We eat, sleep, and breathe Corvettes. That keeps us concentrating on one thing, and anybody that concentrates on one thing is going to be good at what they do. And so that's what we do.
The parts are here. If we have them in stock, they're going to leave that day. They don't have to wait for somebody to check another warehouse or to check another location. If it's here, we're going to ship it today. If it's not here, we're going to get it and ship it when we get it.
We have the ability and the resources to take all the imagery in-house because we have all the parts in-house.
For me, it's about Zip being a destination, a place people can go and get what they need, a place that people care about their car, care about them as a customer, that is putting all of their effort, 100% all day long, into this one car. The reason why we do what we do is because we have this great sense of responsibility to our customers to keep bringing to them the parts and accessories they need for their cars.